Good morning once again, you wonderful people, and today should hopefully be a chilled but productive day.
And by the way, that's me. I'm his girlfriend, Beth, if you've not seen me before.
Now my exams are done, I'm not setting an alarm to let my body get as much sleep as it needs, and today I woke up at 7:45. I gently wake Beth up to the sweet smell of muck spreading on the farmland somewhere over there. But hey, oh well, today we're going to get loads done in a not stressy kind of a way, hopefully. First up, now that exams are over for me, our new commitment to do more exercise. But just before that, while Beth gets ready upstairs, I head downstairs to see the cutest little fella ever. Meet Winston, Beth's family dog, who we currently have the pleasure of dog sitting. He wins the award for the most pampered pooch around town, and we're certainly not complaining. Just look how flippin' cute he is. So now Beth is finally vertical. We get to it with a slightly killer morning workout from our favourite exercise channel, Mad Fit. It's a bit of a brutal one, so we decide to do a bit of extra stretching to finish off in the hope that we'll be able to move tomorrow morning. I have the flexibility of a shriveled up old man, so I'm trying to do a bit more stretching and Pilates. At least for me, exercising first thing helps me to start the day feeling fresh, pumped and ready to go, and I can't say the same necessarily for Beth, but hey. At 10 a.m, there's a knock at the door. Beth's granddad Brian has come over to say hi and just check on us, I think. We have a nice catch up over our slightly late breakfast and just enjoy the social interaction that everyone has generally been lacking recently. Then it's back to work for me. Now you might be wondering why I'm still working when I finished law school a few weeks back. Even though I finished my exams, I actually still have 2 projects to complete in order to get my business masters. No rest for the wicked, as they say. It's been a bit of a struggle to stay motivated after exams, but I'm really trying to just power through these blooming projects so I can enjoy a little bit of time off before I begin working as a lawyer, a real life lawyer at the end of August. That is slightly scary. While I'm researching for my project, Beth does a tutoring session over Zoom. She works in TV and has about a month off between her jobs at the moment, so is filling her time with tutoring, flat hunting and editing for me, hopefully. Once she's finished tutoring, she heads off to her nan's house for a spot of lunch while I, you guessed it, keep working. As we had such a late breakfast and I'm in a state of serious flow, I work for another hour, and this is something I often do even if I plan to have lunch at a specific time. If I feel I'm being really productive, I'll just push that back, and conversely, if it feels like I'm getting pretty much nothing done and I am super distracted, I'll just break, get out, and then hopefully be more focused when I come back to work. And in the end, I was actually crazily focused, so I ended up working for a full 2.5 more hours till 3:30. When I catch up with Beth over a very late lunch, we get chatting about my assignment, and this is something else I find really useful when planning anything from an essay to my next YouTube video. Voicing your ideas out loud and getting other people's opinions and perspectives can be so helpful and really just bring new ideas, new things to light that you may not have previously considered. While I get back to work for my afternoon session, Beth does some household jobs that we've both frankly been neglecting for the last few weeks while I had exams and Beth was crazily busy at work, and then gets round to making the world's gooeyest ever brownies. That will definitely counteract this morning's workout, but hey, who cares? They are frankly delicious. As I'm over there working like a trooper, Beth simply can't stand the sight of my filthily long hair, so she shaves it off. By the time it gets to 5:30, Winston is jumping around at us like a crazy dog and just generally annoying us until we eventually take him out for his daily walk. And it is so lovely staying by the coast at the moment, as we have this pebble beach that's really beautiful right on our doorstep. it's the perfect spot for this little man to stretch his teeny tiny legs.
Come here, boy. Come on.
With Winston walked, fed, and now almost certainly asleep, it's my turn to hit the runway. And I don't have quite as many items as Beth in a previous day in the life video, but I most definitely needed these clothes, as I'm embarrassed to say the only pair of shorts I've been wearing for about the last month, like a true middle-aged man, have had a massive hole in the side. Not my best look. At around 7, Beth gets on with making dinner, and I get back to work for the final push of the evening. I'm currently trying out Foki, which is a nifty little device that apparently measures how focused you are while studying. I'm basically giving the founders of the company some feedback on my thoughts on it, so I will let you know. While the pressure of being monitored works for a while, the sweet smell of delicious katsu curry is too much for me to ignore, and I give Beth a hand with the finishing touches before we sit down to eat together. And this is actually our second attempt at making a katsu. Yesterday ended up burnt and in the bin, but with a little help from a Wagamama tutorial, we made it, and it was really delicious, actually pretty much as good as Wagamama's own, even if we do say so ourselves. After dinner, we retire to the sofa for cuddles with our little pal, and Beth chats to a friend on the phone while I sort through some emails and just generally go through the video schedule I have for the next couple of weeks. I've actually started, like a real pro now, working with an editor, which is kind of scary, so I'm having to be a bit more organised with my video stuff. We squeeze in a few episodes of New Girl, which we have been slowly but surely making our way through over lockdown, alongside Schitt's Creek and a load of awesome documentaries, and it's off to bed at around 11:30. Alrighty, just gonna pop you on here. There we go. Yeah, so hope you've enjoyed watching today. It is now 11:30, it's time for bed, and I'm a bit nervous because tomorrow I get my exam results for the last bit of the LPC, the law school that I've been working crazily hard for if you've been watching my videos over the last few months. So yeah, I'm kind of nervous about that, but wish me luck, and hopefully they will all be okay. Yeah, fingers crossed. But otherwise, yeah, we're just going to bed. Night. So there you have it, one chilled out study day complete. I actually got quite a lot done today. I'm really happy with how it went. I didn't pressure myself to have a mega early start and allow myself to have a bit of a break if I felt my productivity dipping, which was a welcome change from the usual daily grind. And if you like this video, go check out my other Study With Me videos to see what life was like while I was prepping for my law school exams. And make sure you check out my next video where I will be reacting live to my exam results as soon as that drops. So, but I'll speak again very soon.